The Chinese, the new energy vehicles labs play a crucial role in shaping the global dynamics of supply and demand in the automotive sectors. The competitive advantage of the Chinese NAVs stem from a combination of factors. First, the integrity and maturity of their supply chain, covering everything from the research and development to the manufacturing of critical components like batteries and electronics. Second, rapid technological innovation, driven by massive domestic market and enables economy of scale and agile adaptation to consumer demands. Together, these elements position China not only as the market leader, but also as a key driver in the global transition for the most sustainable transportation.
就是因为中国的电动车有各方面的优势，加上创新优势，加上我们的电子产品的优势，再加上电池的优势，打造了中国电动车产业链的优势。
Everybody could see that with the global warming pressures, we are going to need electricity as the driver of new energy mobility. China has been strong in solar energy production. They've lowered the price of solar panels. This is good because if you lower the price, it means even countries which are less endowed in resources can also afford to become part of the market of solar panels.
China is world leading in delivering components to the renewable markets. For me, China has become also an innovation driver, specifically in our business. So that gives a lot of other opportunities. And here we really do a lot of R&D money to also qualify local suppliers so that we can have also electronics, certain components from local Chinese supplier, which gives us again more resilient in the global context.